Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the sum of the series. So this is a series. It starts from 1, that is x power 0 plus x power 1 plus x square up to x power n. The value for x and the value for n, the range we have to obtain as an input from the user. We will write the Python program. Variable x equal to integer of input of enter the value of x. I am closing the double quotation. I am closing the input statement. I am closing the int function. Int function will display the string enter the value of x to the user's console. When user enter the value, input statement receives it as a string. In function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable x. Now n equal to integer of input of within the double quotation I am giving a string enter the power. The power value is n, that is a range. I am giving within the parenthesis. I am closing the double quotation. I am closing the input statement. I am closing the in function. Now the input statement display the string enter the power of n in the user's console. When user enter the value, input statement receives it as a string. In function convert it into an integer and storing it in the variable n. Now I am having the value x and n. Now I am going to write the logic to calculate from 1 to x power n, that is the sum of x power 0, that is 1, plus x power 1 is x, plus x square up to x power n. So the series should get added and it should get stored in the variable and the result will be displayed. Now I am initializing a variable s equal to 0. In this variable I am going to store the value of the sum of series. Now I am writing a for loop for I in range n plus 1 followed by colon. For is the keyword for the for loop. I is a loop variable. The range function generate a list from 0 to the range minus 1. So from 0 up to n, a list will get generated. The loop variable I will take the value one by one in the each iteration. In operator helps this purpose. So within this body of the for loop, to write any statement in the body of a loop, we have to give a tab space, that is an indentation. Here s equal to existing value of s plus the value of x. I am giving double star I. So what it will do? This double star is a power operator which rise the I to the power of x. The value of x power I will get calculated and it is added with the existing value of s and stored in the variable x. Likewise, I will take the value from 0 to n. So in each iteration, first I will take a value 0, x power 0, that is 1 will get calculated, that will get added in the existing value of s, that is 0, 0 plus 1 will get added, that will get stored in the variable x. Next iteration, that is x power 1. For any value you are giving, if you give it 2, that is 2 power n. Here this is 2 power 0 and 2 square. So each iteration, every value will get added one by one when the loop progresses from 0 to n. So I will show this in a trace after this logic. So once the loop get over, the series will get calculated and the value is storing it in the variable s. So after the next statement, after the loop, I am printing the result. Print a string sum of first. I am closing the double quotation followed by the variable n, followed by I am having a string terms, comma, I am giving the variable x. So it will display sum of first n terms followed by the value is s. So this is my output. Now I will take some sample input and explain you how this program works. So for x, I am having a value 2. My x value is 2. My n value I am giving 3. Now I am having a loop variable followed by the variable s. So initial value of s, which is equal to 0. Now the range function will generate a list 0 to n, because when you give a value n plus 1, it will generate up to n. So the list will get generated. The list will contain a value 0, 1, 2 and 3. N is having a value 3. Now the first iteration, I takes the value 0 from the list. I's value is 0. Here the s value will get calculated. That is, existing value of s is 0 plus x double star I. That is, x value is 2, 2 power 0. So which is equal to 0 plus 1. X is having a value 1 now. In the next iteration, I takes the value 1. So I is become 1. The sum equal to existing value of sum, that is 1 plus x power I. X value 2, 2 power I value 1, which is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Next iteration, I takes the value 2. Here s equal to existing value of s is 3 plus 2 square, because I value is 2, x power 2, which is 2 square, which is equal to 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Next iteration, I takes the value 3. So I is 3. The existing value of s is 7 plus x power I, that is 2 cube, which is equal to 7 plus 2 cube is 8, which is equal to 15. Is equal to 15. So the loop is over. Control will come out. It will print sum of first n terms, which is equal to 15. So 15 is my output. We will check physically. So see the series. So that is x value is 2, n is 3. I am writing 1 plus x. What is the value of x? Which is 2 plus 2 square. This is 2 power 1. This is 2 square plus up to go up to n, which is 2 cube. You calculate this, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 equal to 15. That's it. The program logic is correct. It will work perfectly for any n and x values. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.